Halloween in here, huh? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today, in 4K, we're going to review the Halloween Nike Dunks for 2024. I almost said SB. I don't know why they didn't come out with an SB this year. Yeah, man, but they didn't. But we did get these, and we did get the Air Force Ones. I'm really not an Air Force One guy, which is weird because Dunks and the Air Force Ones are kind of similar. I just never got into them. But when it comes to like the Dunks, Halloween, SB, these still sit at the top of my list, man. The mummies were just different. The glow in the dark, the eyes, the spider moving around. These were different. And the reason why these are probably my number one is because I never got my hands on that Mischief, Sons of Mischief pair. Every time I want it, it's around late September, my birthday, October, and they've raised the prices on Halloween Dunks around that time, which is a no-brainer. But with this crazy skull in the toe box, the cracked leather, this does give you mummy vibes on the low, man. Hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. I don't know, what would you call this? Like a mustard or a swamp green? Yeah, but besides the mummy dunks, I showed you guys a lot of dunks. I think last year I showed y'all the candy corn joints. I wound up didn't keeping them because I don't really do the high top dunks unless they real special to me. But those were dope, man. Had the bite mark on it and everything. You go back in the archives, check that out. That actually restocked a couple of weeks ago. So it was on the Nike app if you into those. And I showed y'all some regular Nike dunks last year too, which were kind of similar as far as material with this one. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. And real quick, but before we hit the music, my Yankees, man. I know they was down 3-0. We caught one yesterday. That's one of the reasons I didn't do the video yesterday, because I wanted to make sure they won. But this is the World Series, official World Series hat of the New York Yankees this year. I might be buying a Dodger one to look like if they win. But yeah, man, this is dope. Straight from Hat Club. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get that light red, dark orange Nike box that's usually reserved for just Nike Dunks, man. No theme or nothing, but this one has a theme, so I'm kind of weird. They could have put a pumpkin, a witch, something on it, but you just get a regular Nike Dunk box, guys. And it reads, Nike Dunk Low Retro QS Bright Cactus Black. When you flip open the lid, you just get white tissue paper. And let's start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. So here's a 360 view of the Halloween Nike Dunk for 2024. So they calling the color cactus, and I see it. I see the cactus color. Cactus is sometimes put in the same situation with Halloween. I don't get it, but it usually is, man. It usually is. So let's get to that toe box. That is the main factor of the sneaker. Now, when I seen pictures, I did not know the toe box was going to be hard like this. I thought it was just implanted, like soft, maybe glowed in the dark when you hit it. But man, that's in there. That's almost like an action figure, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I would have liked to see this as maybe a hang tag, but we talking about a regular dunk, not an SB. But look at that, man. That's a skull, guys. That's a skull. Around there is where you get your cactus, and it is that material. I said the material earlier, but it's that hard material, that chipped material, giving you essence of black around the green. I like it, kind of giving me that Powerpuff Girl vibes, the green one. Hard material, just like the toe box, and that goes all the way up. But it reverses in the middle of the dunk. So now the chip leather, crack leather, there go the word. Crack leather is in black with the green bleeding into it. Your swoosh is also that hard material just like the skull. And the swoosh goes all the way up. More cracked leather here, that cactus, until you get around to the back. The swoosh also has an outline of it, like jeans, giving you more of that cactus look. Get to the back now. There go my favorite Nike logo. It look like it's off tilted, like it's not a straight line. But that's in black on top of that cactus. The black switches back with the cactus there. Then the cactus comes back in with a black outline. I couldn't see white on this. Black is the only way you could have went. The bottom has like a gum bottom, but it's more in like a lime green, highlighted green, swamp green. But it does give that gum bottom look. But this black is really making the sneaker pop, bringing it all in. Here's the left shoe, and there go the bottom. All green at there. Get your greens in right there. Come back up to the sneaker. The shoelace lock here has the Nike logo, same material as the skull. It comes in the same cactus shoelaces as the sneaker. The tongue looks to be leather, but the tongue is a regular dunk mesh, but it does give leather vibes. It is leather, guys. Cracked leather also on the tongue. Very dope, but it feels mesh, but it's definitely cracked leather. You got your green cactus Nike logo here with a black Nike logo on top of the green. They go to inside here. A whole bunch of stuff going on. Looks like Galaxy. Let me get a quick look in it. So yeah, I don't know. I guess it's just giving Halloween vibes. I thought it would be some skulls or something, but just like green paint all over. Nike logo in there. This is the right side, guys. I wanted y'all to see the inside both. While we here, they go to sock liners, also in that cactus colorway, but it's in a soft wool cotton material. Both sneakers here side by side, guys. They both have that Nike lock on the shoelaces. The skull seems to be the same. Only difference, the right side comes with more laces. You get some wax black laces. I kind of like this swap. Get off. It's too much green, guys. The black stealths it out a little bit, bring it in. It's crazy because my Jeep Wrangler is this color, guys, which is dope. But yeah, you get the lace, wax lace leather, black shoelaces. Yes, sir. So I've been hitting on the sneakers app, man. I can't remember how much I paid for these with the tax and the shipping. I think it was $135, guys. I'm sure it wasn't more than $150. But right now, resale value on GOAT in StockX is about $145-ish to $160, depending on sizes. The thing with these Halloween dunks, you either want them for Halloween or one day around Christmas, you're just thinking about a Halloween sneaker and you want it. And it go up, it go down. With these being that some off-sites still have these, like Millennium and like two other, I think that's why prices is like right there at that $145. It's definitely a good pair. If you into Halloween, it's definitely dope to have. I never seen skull on a toe box, and I never seen a hard toe box like this. So definitely one of a kind with this, man. Again, I'm still going with the mummies, man. Those are super dope. But let me know how you feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich. Jones on the soundtrack.